Welcome back. In studio today, we have the old pros, but you know, old really isn't a good word. We have Sheila Bielka and David Deering.
Who are both old.
I don't know. Are we sure we want to keep it as old pros and not just the pros?
No,
you know,
we're old. We don't mind.
Oh gosh. All right. Well, we'll let it slide this time. But anyway, nice to have you both on. Welcome.
Thank you.
So you have a really fun event coming up.
Yeah.
'Tis the season.
Yeah.
I like it. What's it all about?
Tell them, David. It's your thing.
But I'm done.
This is the second time we're doing 'Tis the Season, and it is a multicultural event. We have celebrating Christmas, celebrating Hanukkah, celebrating the Festival of Lights all around the world. So it's really something for everyone.
Well, what is it going to entail? So you said you've got holiday spirit sing-along, you've got Festival of Lights. Kind of elaborate on it.
Well,
Sure.
You know what I like to talk about is the 1914-18 war, you know, when they had the truce.
Yeah, the 1914 truce.
The truce that
Okay.
happened during that battle.
Okay.
And, you know, we do a whole thing on that.
Oh, you do? Like
Yeah.
what? Like a reading or?
We read different characters' parts.
Oh, okay.
And talk about how everybody sang.
We have a character in our show who, on Christmas Eve 1942, to escape the Nazis, was carried from France to Spain.
Yeah.
And she shares that story.
Yeah.
We go to the 1914 truce, where the Germans and the French decided that they were going to stop the war on Christmas Eve.
All right.
And then we end with Silent Night in 4 languages.
Wow.
And then an audience sing-along of Silent Night with candles.
Oh, that
it's a
sounds
lovely,
lovely.
lovely ending of the
Yeah.
show.
That does sound really nice.
It's different. It's not just Christmas. It's everything.
Right.
Well,
Yeah.
you're having it at the Performing Arts Center,
Yeah.
and that's kind of nice because then everybody can sort of feel cozy.
That's it.
Right?
We start out in the lobby. We have
Oh.
singers out in the lobby. We're doing
Oh.
carols out in the lobby before we even start the show.
Wow, so you're going to feel that spirit right when you walk in the
That's
door.
it.
Right
That's
from
it.
the beginning.
Good. I like that. But now this
Santa will be there in the lobby.
and Santa's going to be in the lobby.
Yeah.
All right.
With
Yeah.
Mrs. Claus, of
With
course.
Mrs. Claus.
Oh, so they're both going to be there. All right.
Yeah.
Are you going to have treats and things? Like
We haven't thought about
cocoa or
treats,
anything
have
like
we?
that?
Cocoa for the Christmas caroling.
Oh, there
When
you
we
go.
go
Oh,
Christmas
that's the other
caroling.
one. Okay.
That's
Right.
Christmas
So let's
caroling.
just talk about 'Tis the Season. That's going to be on Sunday, December 16th, and that starts at 2 p.m.
2 o'clock.
1:30 in the lobby for the festival
Oh,
singers.
so 1:30 at the festival singers. So
Yes.
what time should everyone get there? Like 1:15?
Yes, and
Yeah.
we'd like to encourage people to buy tickets before.
Yeah,
all right?
so there's no line at the box
Oh,
office. It
okay,
doesn't
yes.
hold us up, you know.
Okay, and the reserve seating is $7 and $10. And what's the difference?
$10 is orchestra.
Oh, gotcha.
And $7 is balcony.
That's it.
I'd like to mention 1 or 2 other things. We have a reading by Brett Halsey, who's a Golden Globe winner. Reading Yes, Virginia, There Is a Santa Claus.
Oh, okay.
And we also have the Woods Combo featuring Moki Lund, who's going to sing a couple of songs by herself, chestnuts roasting on an open fire.
Nice.
So it's not just about Christmas, it's
Right.
about the festival of the holidays.
And
Exactly.
Moki is going to represent Kwanzaa, isn't
Yes,
she? She's
yes.
going to do
Oh, good.
a song for Kwanzaa.
Oh,
yeah.
good.
So
Well-
we're not leaving anybody out.
Well, that's important. I
Yes.
like that. I think all of our festivities around here too have all been including everyone.
You have to.
Exactly.
So I
You
like
have to.
that
We have
because
a
you know
multi-
it's a holiday season,
Yes,
right?
We have
It
a
is.
multicultural
Yeah.
community here in the
Yes, we
village.
do. We
Yeah.
do. So the tickets are on sale at the Performing Arts Center box office right now.
That's
right
correct,
now,
yes.
as we speak.
Perfect.
Please go
Yes.
and get your tickets.
And make sure you get your tickets early because
Yeah.
you never know, it could sell out.
That's right.
That
It could
would be
sell out.
wonderful.
Wouldn't that be good?
Because
All
it's only
right.
one performance. you know.
Yes.
Well, that's right. One
So-
performance on December 16th. Okay,
Yeah.
and then you have caroling on what day was that?
We are going to start. We're going to start a caroling group on the 22nd.
Okay.
That's a Saturday night before Christmas.
All right.
6:30 at the Performing Arts Center. We
Okay.
just gather. Whoever comes, we please bring a flashlight so you can read the lyrics. We hand out the song sheets.
Okay.
And we go around the neighborhood singing carols.
Oh.
And we finish up at Gate 3, singing to all the cars coming in and going
Oh
out.
my goodness. All right.
It's just a lot of fun. Then we'll have cocoa and cookies back at Clubhouse 3.
Okay,
Performing
so they're
Arts Center.
starting at Clubhouse 3
Yeah, 6:30.
at 6:30. Okay,
Yeah.
December 21st?
22nd.
Oh, 22nd.
Saturday
December.
night.
Okay, Saturday
yeah.
night at 6:30. And where can they get that information if they wanted it?
I guess it's going to be on our website. It'll be on the Old Pros website.
Okay,
yeah.
and I think what we'll do also is towards the end of the show, we may have a flyer that we'll be able to talk about it then too. So that way we can keep promoting it for you before the event.
Good.
So
Thank
you.
you.
About a whole big group.
Yeah,
Right.
because last year we just sort of did it on the fly and we got about 30 people.
Oh.
And then a lot of people have said, let me know, I'd like to go caroling. So
Wow. Well, you might be
we might
stopping
have
traffic on the
cast of
end.
thousands. bumping
All right.
each
Well,
other.
something to remember for that is remember to bring your flashlight so you can read the lyrics.
And
just
if you
case
come
they
in a
don't know.
wheelchair or you come with a walker,
Right.
we're not going to go
Right.
far.
Oh, okay.
It's not like we're going to go to the end of the earth.
Well,
we'll probably
right.
stay right around Clubhouse 3. So if you live around Clubhouse 3, open your doors and your windows so you can hear us.
Well, there you go. That's so nice.
Or come out on your balcony.
Oh, that is really nice that you're doing that.
Yeah, so some people came out of the house, and
Well, make sure you get somebody that has a phone and you guys can video some of that. We want to hear how good it is.
Oh, we'll cover it for sure.
and then don't forget, starting in January, we're going to be doing the new soap opera that the Old Pros are
What?
doing once a month. It's an ongoing soap opera.
Only
that's
once a month?
Written, well, it's a new episode every month.
Well,
it's called.
okay. We have
It's
to wait a
called,
whole month.
It's not the guiding light.
it's called From the Woods, and it all takes place here where we
I don't
live.
know. Are the names going to
And
be
it's
changed?
it's written by a very good person who's gotten all kinds of credits. I mean, she did, I think, NYPD Blue and
What?
big time.
Wow. Are they going to have
yeah.
auditions for the parts?
Oh, it's all cast.
Oh, it's already done.
You're too late. It's cast.
Oh, I don't want to be in it. I just thought maybe you two wanted to be in it.
That's why we're the Old Pros.
Oh
Yeah,
my
we're
gosh,
worn
you're so-
out. We're worn out.
We're worn out. Oh, yeah,
Yeah.
just the singing for you, that's enough, right?
Yeah.
Oh, my heavens. Well,
Yes.
thank you
So
very much.
That's all the Old Pros news that's fit to print.
I like it, though. A lot of stuff coming up, and we'll help promote some of those events and
Thank
your
you.
caroling
Thank
and
you,
the
Lisa.
Tis the season.
Very,
so.
very
Excellent.
good.
Nice.
Thank
Thank
you
you both
so
for being
much.
on.
Okay.
Thank
All right.
you.
And good luck to you.
Thank you.
Wow, so you've heard it right here first that there's going to be a new soap opera starting in January. I love it. So stay tuned for that. We'll be right back.